Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the normal notes into a checkbox on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So in this video, it's just going to show how to change the normal note to a checkbox notes in your Google Keep. For an example, here I just had typed a lot of things about the some topics like rate, price, or company of the company like Google, Tech, Apple, like that. So I just need to change everything to the checkbox instantly. So for doing that, you just need to open the thing first. If it is on the line by line, you just need to make it as like this. You should split as a word or split as the line sentence. If it is on like a paragraph, you just need to split it as a sentence or a word that you just need to make it as a checkbox. After creating that, click on this plus symbol. Just click on the checkbox. That's it. You can see simply everything has changed to a checkbox. This is how you just change any notes to the checkbox in your Google Keep on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.